I've got some Scotch brake pads, got some Dicor, giant roll of Dicor. You all know what this is if you're an RV'er. And what I also have is a series of skylights, which are going to be used to, redo the skylights that are on top of the RV, and they are shredded. Yeah, no damage that I can see. I'm gonna have to go down there, check it out, and see. One of the legs looks like it might be a little twisted, out of position, but gotta go to work. Hope this is not a replay of 2 weeks ago, but they're calling for pea-sized hail, and it's raining out right now, and the sun's out, and there's thunder. Really don't want to go through this again. Hey, thanks everyone for watching. As you can see here, we're up on the roof tonight. It's a beautiful night. Hopefully we'll get a chance here to replace these skylights in the next video, but wanted to thank everyone for watching while I collected the parts to get the project up and rolling on this roof redo. We also have some new roof coating material by Dicor. I'm going to show you that next on the upcoming video, and you're going to see how we're going to upgrade this roof, get it all fixed up, get the new skylights on, get the AC shroud fixed, all sorts of good stuff. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Until the next video, take care, happy, safe, and healthy RV.